In this video, we're going to look at creating and editing website users. You'll navigate to your My Account under Admin Tools and then Manage Users. Current users are displayed. Here, we're going to click on Create New User. All you need is an email. All right, you have a checkbox to send an activation email now, or you can come back later and send that email. Next part under Settings, you're going to assign their user role. There are 4 primary user roles. Administrator has access and no limitations. Buyer 1 can shop, place an order, but it requires approval before it's processed. Buyer 2 can shop, place an order up to the credit limits assigned by the administrator. And Buyer 3 has slightly less rights than the administrator, can place orders, and there are no restrictions from a dollar value on a Buyer 3. Here we're going to go with Buyer 1. You have to designate an approved signer. This person will be the primary person to approve any orders should their authorization level require it. At this point, we can create user. Next step is to come down to Assign Edit Ship Tos. For this account, the very first one that's shown is what's referred to as the Bill To, right? And that's mandatory. Anything below that will be what's referred to as a Ship To. And you can choose by user which Ship Tos or jobs, if that's how you want to refer to it as, this user will have access to. Once you've made your designations, you can click Save and return to User Setup. And then back under Admin Tools, Manage Users, and Buyer 7 has now been set up. We also use this menu to edit. So let's go back into Buyer 7 just in case we made an error. Let's say we need to change something in the email. You can change it. If you need to deactivate them, whether it's permanently or temporarily, we can do it here. Or you can go back in, change the approver, as well as go back into add another Ship To, save it, return, go back to Manage Users, and done. That's creating and editing users for the website. For more information, contact ecom.support@easternfirst.com.